Hi everyone, welcome to Code with Leah. In this video, I will explain what HTML is in a very simple way. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. Every HTML page has a basic structure. It tells the browser what kind of documents it is and what to display. Headings, paragraphs, images, and links on a website are created using HTML. If you want to build websites, HTML is the first thing you should learn. The doc type HTML declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible content such as headings, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, table, lists, etc. The H1 element defines the large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. My first HTML page is the title. Hello World is the H1, which is heading 1. This is my first HTML page. Is the P tag, which is paragraph. Sorry if it looks confusing at first. It becomes easier with practice and dedication. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly content. See you in the next video.